The Mouse That Became a Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a sage in an ashram in the Himalayas. One day while he was meditating, he heard someone running towards him. The noise disturbed his concentration, and he opened his eyes to see a mouse sweating heavily and trembling with fear. The sage was compassionate. "What has happened? Why are you scared?" he asked. "Sir, I've come to you because I have heard of your great yogic powers. I am being chased by my eternal enemy, the cat." "Don't worry, you will be safe here," assured the sage. "But I can't remain here forever. Will you do me a favor? Please turn me into a cat. Then I won't be scared of cats and will lead a happy life." The sage smiled. "That is not true, but I will fulfill your desire." A few uneventful days passed. But then again, one day, the sage heard a noise that interrupted his meditation. When he opened his eyes, he saw the same mouse cat, sweating heavily and trembling with fear. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "Sir, I enjoyed my days as a cat for some time, but now, I am scared of the dog that chases me around." "What do you want?" "Please turn me into a dog. Then I won't be scared of dogs and will lead a happy life." The sage smiled. "That is not true, but I will fulfill your desire." Some more days passed before the sage heard someone running towards him again, breaking his meditation. He opened his eyes to see the mouse-cat dog sweating heavily and trembling with fear. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "There is an animal called the lion. He is the king of the forest. He is huge and powerful. He can eat anyone and I am only a small animal, after all," said the dog. "What do you want?" "Please turn me into a lion. Then I will rule the forest and will lead a happy life." The dog then turned into a roaring lion and happily ran away. This time, months passed before the sage heard the familiar sound of someone running towards him. The same mouse-cat-dog-lion stood before him, sweating heavily and itching all over. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "I have enjoyed my reign in the forest for some time. It was wonderful. Recently, though, there are small insects called ants entering my skin and my ears. The itching on my body and ears is unbearable," said the lion. "What do you want?" "Please turn me into an ant, and I will lead a happy life." The lion promptly turned into an ant and happily scurried away. Weeks passed before, once again, the sage heard someone running towards him. It was the same mouse-cat-dog-lion-ant, limping. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "Do you remember me, sir? I am the mouse-cat-dog-lion-ant. I had a good but extremely hard-working life. We worked in teams and I loved it. We built a beautiful castle for ourselves, but one day, a reptile known as a snake came and took over our home. We took many months to build the house, and he came and occupied it as if it was his own. While leaving, he pushed me aside, and that is why I am limping," said the ant. "What do you want?" "Please turn me into a snake, the most powerful reptile. Then I will lead a happy life." The ant turned into a hissing snake and happily slithered away. A few more weeks passed. Then again, the sage heard someone running towards him, while he was meditating. Badly injured, the same mouse-cat-dog-lion-ant-snake had come again. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "It is a long story," said the snake. "I went to a go-down to catch a mouse. Mice are very delicious meals. But the go-down owner tried to hit me even though I hadn't harmed him. That's why I ran away and came here." "What do you want?" "Please turn me into a man who can beat even the most powerful reptile. Then I will lead a happy life." The snake then turned into a young man and happily went his way. Several months passed before the sage heard the sound of someone running towards him again. It was the same mouse-cat-dog-lion-ant-snake man. "What is the matter?" asked the sage. "SwamMG, I am really tired. Every day, I worked hard and stored grains for a rainy day. But a small mouse came and made holes in the bags of grains and started to take them away bit by bit. We didn't even notice it at first. Then snakes began entering our storage area in search of mice, and they terrify me," said the young man. "Turn me back into a mouse who can hide inside the hole without anyone noticing me. Then I will lead a happy life." The young man turned into a mouse and scurried away. Some more time passed. One day, once again, the sage heard someone running towards him as he meditated. He stopped and opened his eyes. It was the same mouse-cat-dog-lion-ant-snake-man-mouse. The sage smiled and said, "Life is an experience. We all face challenges on this journey. Accept what has been given to you. I knew you would be back since the day you asked me to change you into a cat. But I allowed you to have this experience and learn from it." The mouse nodded as understanding dawned on him, and he left the ashram with happiness and a twinkle in his eyes. Thank you for learning with us. See you in next video. Till then, bye-bye.